Last class.
Going to discuss about kinds of sentences. Are you familiar with the kinds of sentences?
Teacher, something wrong with your voice.
Why? What is it?
Sounds like you're like in a stage. Sounds like something, but I can't really hear you. I can't hear you.
There might be audio. Okay, so
My volume is on already. I can't hear you, just.
okay, so let's start now. Right, so today we're going to discuss about kinds of sentences. So what are the kinds of sentences? We're going to find out. Now let's take a look at here. Look at the picture.
Story.
And what do you think the children are saying? Select your words, select the words listed and take a look at the following. So you have here, these are the following answers from the list. You have, oh, look, there is a nest. Be careful. This is for you. Is it cold? So look at the picture number 1. What do you think we should write in the bubble?
This is for you. Is it cold?
This is for you.
This is for you. Is it cold?
Mhm.
Is it cold?
So this
This
is
is for you. This is cold.
this is for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for this one, number 1, you have the answer is it cold? Is it cold? The word that we should write in the bubble is
This is cold.
mhm. It's asking the question, is it cold? Right. Mhm.
Okay. Then
Okay,
the next one.
How about the next one?
Is
Oh,
be
look.
careful. Be careful. Be careful. Careful. Be
The next one you have is
Be careful.
be careful. Be careful. Okay.
And the next one is, oh,
Okay.
look, there is a net.
Be careful. Next. This one right here.
Oh, look.
What should we write in the bubble?
Oh, look, there's a nest.
Oh,
Oh, look,
oh,
look, there's a nest.
Yes. Oh, look. There's a nest. Right. Next. The last one is
This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. This is for you.
okay. The last one is
For you.
this is for you.
This is for you. This is for you.
This is for you. Right. All right. So these following words, let's read them. You have, is it cold?
Is it cold?
Do you say,
Is it cold?
do you say the word, is it cold? Is it cold? You have the question mark in the end. So your question, your sound intonation should go up. Is it cold?
Is it
It's like
cold?
that.
Cold.
It should
Is
be
it cold?
it should be in a question sound. Then next, you have another one. You have, oh, look, there's a nest. So how do you say this? Number 2. Oh, look.
Oh, look. There is a nest.
Do you say, oh, look, there's a nest? Do you say like that?
Sounds so
funny,
gloomy,
right?
teacher. Whenever when you said like, oh look, there's a nest, it sounds so gloomy.
Mhm. Oh, look, there is an S.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
you're gonna say it like that? It's so funny, right? Doesn't suit.
Like you're not like so impressed. You're not like excited of the nest, and your friend is
Yes.
like, why not excited?
True. Then number 3, you have this is for you. Say it that
This
way, right?
for you.
And then the last one, number 4, you have be careful.
Be careful.
You say be careful, or you say,
You should have put in an exclamation mark because you're worried.
or you say like that. Be careful. It's really funny, right? Now let's go over. So let's match the number sentences with the number above. So let's write the number on the line. So it asks you to do something. It asks you to do something. So what number is it? It asks you to do something.
Is it
So what number? 1,
number
2, 3, 4.
4.
Yes,
Four.
it's actually number 4. This one is number 4. Right, next. So this is number 4. How about the next one? It asks you a question.
Number 1.
Okay, number, it's actually number 1. It's number 1. Next, it shows surprise.
Number
Surprise.
And 3.
Mhm.
3.
It's number 3. Yes, it's number 3. And the last number is, it tells you about an idea.
Number 2.
It tells you about an idea, right? It's number 2. Okay, so people have different feelings, thoughts, and ideas. They express them in different kinds of sentences. So let's study what are those following are different kinds of sentences. You have, it is telling a sentence and gives a statement or a perfect or states a fact. It ends with a period. So you have here, example, the leaves looks fresh and clean. The rooms were empty. So this is the first kind of sentence. It's a telling sentence, gives a statement or states a fact. So it ends with a grace, it ends with a period. You have here, example, the leaves looks fresh, the rooms were empty. What else can you give as an example? Anyone?
The food smells nice.
The food smells nice. What else?
Tiny.
The ginger tea tastes good. What else?
My room is tidy.
My room is tidy.
I like
It's same with the rooms were empty.
dog in the house. I like eating candy.
My exam starts soon.
The water bottle is full.
The water bottle is full. What else?
I'm running around.
My exam starting soon.
Like this, the water bottle runs around in our house. My room is clean.
Okay, so those are the telling sentence. It gives a statement or states a fact. Okay, it ends with a period. Next, number 2, the second type of sentence that we're going to discuss is an asking sentence. So it actually asks using the question mark. It ends with a question mark. Okay, so we ask using the question. Okay, example you have here, where are the puppies? Did you see the rat? Okay, these are the example of asking sentence. The first one is telling sentence. The second one is asking sentence. So can you give me an example of asking sentence?
Where is your friend? Who is your
Did you see my book?
Where's my rat is in the Where are my toys? Where did you put it?
Okay, so mostly it's about asking a question.
What's for dinner?
Why is it there?
What's for dinner?
Yes.
What's for
Right, next, number 3. Number 3 is a commanding sentence. From the word itself, command. Okay? Command, it gives command or a request. It ends with a period. So you have here, get inside the house now. Please open
That
the
sounds
door.
good.
clean up toys?
Because it's a command or a request, right? Command or a request. So you have get inside the house now or please open the door. Can you give me an example of a commanding sentence?
Can you open
Please start your room.
Okay, so for this one, you may use please. What else?
Yeah?
Okay, you may use please. All right.
Please open the door.
Now?
Open the door.
Kindly.
Huh?
How about kindly?
Okay, so kind request, right?
Can
also
you
say
open the can?
Okay. Example, may I go out as well as
Diana, it's all the thing above the command or a request. Get inside, that's a request. Then please
Yes.
open the door. Can you please open
yes.
the
Okay,
can?
command and request, right? Next, you have another one, number 4. It's an exclaiming sentence. So, exclaiming sentence, it uses or expresses a strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation point like this. I won. What a pleasant surprise. Or you could also say, hooray. Right? So, it uses exclamation marks at the end. Can you give me an example of an exclamation sentence?
In a basketball team.
Okay, another one. You have congratulations. Happy birthday. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
So those are the exclaiming sentence. Again, what are the 4 kinds of sentences? First, you have, what are the kinds of sentences? You have telling sentence,
Telling
telling sentence, another one,
asking
asking sentence, commanding sentence, commanding sentence, and the last is
Explaining.
exclaiming sentence. Okay, you have exclaiming sentence. See another one. So remember that the following are called punctuation marks. You have the period, the question mark, and the exclamation mark. Now let's practice. This time, I want you to identify their kind and write the sentences on the lines. Right, I want you to provide an example. You may use your whiteboard or the chat box to provide an example sentences using the following kinds of sentence. You have telling sentence, commanding sentence,
What
asking
do you mean?
sentence, and
What do you mean,
explaining.
teacher? Like we're writing sentences and
Write sentence according to the kinds of sentences.
so you like write the sentence like the same as all the other sentence there.
Huh? Make a sentence using the kinds of sentences.
Okay.
Mhm.
You should have said make first. I start. I'm gonna use the chat box.
Telling sentence. Telling. Good. Telling. Telling sentence.
Teacher, what are you doing? I just logged in because my internet's very, very slow.
Okay, right now your classmates are making sentences according to the kinds of sentences. You have here number 1, telling sentence, number 2, commanding sentence, and number
Teacher,
3,
describe about the
asking.
sentence structure.
No, just make an example of the following kinds of sentences.
Open. Ang command, binutom ng command. Command. Tell somebody to do something. You can open the door.
Sure. Is
Yes?
asking questions. What does asking mean again? Is it about question?
Asking sentences. Asking questions.
Okay. To make examples, like make a sentence at number 1, that sentence. Period.
So we're gonna make like an example, like in the when you're telling someone like that.
Mm.
What does exclaiming mean, teacher?
Search. Search. This is the search. Teacher, is it like you're telling, like you tell in a sentence? You tell someone in a sentence, teacher?
Huh?
Done. Teacher Diana.
Example, telling, and then you make it a sentence.
Teacher Diana, I'm done now. Teacher Diana.
No, we have discussed about the kinds of sentences, right?
Teacher Diana,
All
I'm
you
done.
have to do is write or make a sentence, sample sentence that talks about example, the telling sentence. So give an example that tells something, okay? A sentence based on what we have discussed. What is telling sentence? Then you make a sample sentence.
Teacher, I'm done. Can I tell you my sentences? Teacher Diana,
Yes?
can I tell you my sentences because I'm done?
All right, so let's start checking.
Wait, I want to do it first. Do
Okay,
first.
so what is your sentence, Zach?
My telling sentence is look at the bus. My commanding sentence is can you open the door please? And my asking sentence where is my slippers? And the exclamating sentence is I won the competition. Hooray!
Okay, good job. That's all correct. Next, who wants to share their answers?
Me, teacher.
Okay, let's have Andre.
My telling sentence is, my house is clean. My asking sentence is it cold? Commanding. My commanding sentence is, oh, please open the door. My exclaiming sentence is, I won.
Good job. Okay, that's all correct. Another one. Another sharer. Okay, Abby.
Okay, my telling sentence is be careful inside a treehouse. My commanding sentence is please wear our face mask before we go to the mall. My asking sentence is what happened when I was a baby. My exclaiming sentence is yeah, I passed in the exam.
Okay, good job. That's all correct. Right, let's have another one. Last one. Last share. Let's have Seth.
My telling sentence, I have a new friend. Commanding sentence, bring me a glass of water. Asking sentence, can you help get my dog back?
Good job. Correct. So those are the different types of or different kinds of sentences. Now we're going to continue next time. Since we don't have enough time, let's continue
Okay.
it. And let's say goodbye for now. We'll see each other later in Filipino class.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's say goodbye for now. Goodbye, grade 2. And see you later.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.